This is the Energyweb solar tank, and I'm Stella. Energyweb has two similar tanks installed at Sholma Beef that has been running for the past 5 years at 90 degrees.
Black Dot Energy consults for Energyweb in the design of the internal heat exchanger, and really what the internal heat exchanger is a flexible stainless steel pipe. The internal heat exchanger really gives you the benefit of both worlds. Number one, of low pressure storage with a tank that can't rust or corrode or burst, but the benefit of a high pressure supply. That enables us to get an exact heat transfer of thermal energy from the low pressure liquid in the tank to the high pressure liquid that flows in the heat exchanger.
Energyweb will deliver a tank that will last up to 20 years. Engage with us in the comment section for more information.
Thank you.